Right now, a trial date has not been set in former President Donald Trump's classified documents case. A key hearing held today could have big implications for the former president ahead of the November election. Trump was in court in Fort Pierce for his alleged mishandling of classified documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate. Good evening. I'm Tiffany Kenny.
I'm Shane Wright. Thank you so much for joining us. And investigative reporter Terry Parker has details outside the courtroom. Terry.
Right, Judge Aileen Cannon has not yet ruled on whether to delay former President Donald Trump's trial on mishandling classified documents. Trump's attorneys argued inside the courtroom today, however, that it wouldn't be fair to the American people or to Mr. Trump to hold this trial before the November presidential election. Donald Trump arrived here at the Fort Pierce courthouse in his usual motorcade. Once in the courtroom, we could see that he was wearing a dark blue suit and red tie. Inside, he sat between two lawyers and across the courtroom from special counsel Jack Smith. Smith's lawyers argued the trial should happen in July, and they argued against an evidentiary hearing that Trump's side wants. They say that's just a delaying tactic. Trump's lawyers said they believe a trial before the election is a mistake. It's completely wrong and unfair, and they said it might even be categorized as election interference. Mr. Trump is also going to be in trial in New York at the end of March, and his attorneys say it'll be almost impossible to fly back and forth to prepare for this Florida case without working ourselves almost into a frenzy. But they did say that if the trial has to happen before November, they could possibly be ready in August or September. Both sides are also arguing about what the Justice Department should release to the defense and what should be kept sealed. Trump's team alleges the evidence will show the case was politically motivated. Judge Cannon listened intently for 4 hours to arguments on both sides, a lot of legal wrangling. She didn't rule yet, but she did say at one point that she thought the government's trial date of this summer sounded unrealistic. Not only are both sides working incredibly hard, she said she's working nights and weekends to try to do all the preparation for this historic trial of a former president facing criminal charges. Live in Fort Pierce, I'm Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.